Glitter loves fashion and dressing up, so he has decided to make something stylish and sparkly. Glitter, what are we making today? Glitter's Glitter T-shirt!
To decorate our t-shirt, I'm going to use a sheet of white card, an old t-shirt, some light blue and green fabric paint, blue glitter, glitter glue, paint brushes, a black marker pen and a pencil. We're going to start by making a stencil of Glitter's face. You will need white card to do this. When you cut it out, it should look something like this. Now place your t-shirt on the table and your stencil over the top. Using a pencil, draw around both of Glitter's eyes. That's one eye and two. Now remove the eyes, but leave the rest of the stencil there. Using the light blue fabric paints, colour in Glitter's face. Don't worry if you get paint on the stencil, that is what it's there for. Just be careful not to paint inside Glitter's eyes, but instead stay within the lines that you drew. Looking good! You want to do this quite quickly because you want the fabric paint to be wet for this next part. Almost there! Hey, it's really starting to look like glitter, isn't it, cheeky monsters? Now place the eye stencils back onto the t-shirt and pour light blue glitter all over his face. You can use a paintbrush to smooth out the glitter, just like this. Now when you remove the stencil, you should be left with Glitter's face. How's it looking? Wow! Now, Glitter has a green horn on top of his head, so use a smaller paintbrush for this and paint this on with the light green paint. Once you've done this, we need to add Glitter's eyes. Use a black marker pen and draw 2 dots. That's one eye and 2. Now Glitter has a row of teeth at the bottom of his face. We are going to use our silver glitter glue for this. That's 1 tooth, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Wow, looking so sparkly.
And there we have it, cheeky monsters. This is how you turn a plain white t-shirt into a glitter t-shirt. Sparkly and stylish. And remember, you can make any t-shirt you want with whatever design you want. Thanks, Glitter.
We're all cheeky monsters.
And if you want to join in with more cheeky monster creations after this video, why not subscribe to our My Cheeky Monsters channel?